Welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad, of course, and also turn your bells on if you want to be notified every time your girl upload her post. So please excuse my air conditioner, but yeah, y'all, I just have this simple look. It was very easy to do. It's very beginner friendly, and I used a lot of different products. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Hey everybody, once again, so I'm gonna go in with this Warm Honey from LA Pro Girl concealers. I said LA Pro Girl, okay, LA Girl Pro. Then I'm gonna go over it with the shade Fun because I want to warm it up some, warm the concealer, tone it up some, you know, because I don't want it to be too bright when I'm putting them colors on. And then yeah, just make sure you blend it out so good, so well, all of that. Afterwards, it should look a little like this. Then next I'm gonna go in with the 35G Bronze Gold palette, and I'm gonna take a few shades out of this palette and blend them all together to make like that perfect shade for my lid color. And just blend it on out, and I'm gonna take like 3 shades and blend them all together and blend the edges out. Make sure there's no harsh edges, the regular. And then yeah, that's pretty much what you're gonna see me doing here. And then next, after I finish that, I'm gonna go in with my favorite palette of all times, which is the 3502 palette from Morphe. And I'm gonna just go ahead and take like that pinky brownie shade, whatever, and just blend that underneath all those colors and blend it on out. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that Fun from LA Girl Pro. And I'm going to just go ahead and just, not doing a cut crease, just putting that on there so that lid color can pop more. And I'm going to go in with this tan shade out of that 3502 palette and just put that all over there. And yeah, just get it popping, okay? So as you can tell, this look is very simple, very easy. Anybody can do it. Your grandma can do it, okay? And then I'm going to just go ahead with that shade and put that in the crease to darken up the crease, create like a little smoky eye type. Not really, but yeah. I'm going to go in with this one Maybelline. Y'all, this is like a marker. It's like real talk. It's like a marker. It is kind of, I like the way it looks on my eyes, but y'all, I was going for more of a pop type. But I wanted to use this, and it was doing a job for the most part, but yeah. And it's supposed to be like a precise tip, I believe that's what it's called. But yeah, if I'm not saying it right or, stating it right, I will leave it down in the description box. So I'm going to just go over there with my all-time favorite CoverGirl liner that y'all always see me use in my videos. And yeah, just make it pop even more and look more glossy, because that first one was like a matte type. And then yeah, that's pretty much it, what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take that Duo Lash Glue. This is my first time using this glue, and it's the bomb.com. And I'm going to go in with my bomb lashes, some pastel lashes. I will leave my code in the description box. I'm going to take this Rocket Volume Express mascara from Maybelline and just get them real lashes popping, okay? And do my little dance, And then, yeah, we're going to go ahead and move it on to face. I'm going to go in with that Pond's moisturizer because your girl face looking type ashy like. And, yeah, this moisturize your skin, get it all in, okay? And then I'm going to go in with that e.l.f. primer. I have not used this primer in a long time. I don't know, because I had started using other primers, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I'm going to go in with this oldie but goodie and just get that primed on in, blend it on in, all of that good stuff, okay? Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Milani, whatever this is called. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, it's some foundation. But this will be my second time ever using this foundation, you guys. I used it one time, didn't really like it, didn't really care for it, but I tried to do it again and use it again, and I like the way it came out because, yeah, when I first tried to use it, you know, your girl wasn't that good with the makeup, so I didn't know what I was pretty much doing. And yeah, now that your girl got the hang of things, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead back in with it. So right now you just see me doing my contour areas with this Maybelline Cocoa concealer. And yeah, this is the Fit Me concealer from them. And I did let it dry down some. I let all my concealers dry down some. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend them all out. Now, I did go in with that Juvia's Place concealer because, baby, that coverage on that concealer is unbeatable. It is worth the $14. You did. So next, after you do that, you're going to go in, I'm going to go in with this black opal setting powder in the shade medium. And I'm going to just put that on all the parts that I highlighted and all of this stuff. I'm going to add a little bit to under my contour area. And yeah, we just going to go ahead and get it popping. Make sure you blend all that powder. Then you're going to go in with a finishing powder from L'Oreal. And you're just going to put that on all the parts you put all the setting powder at. And, you know, just bring it back to life. And then I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal bronzer. And it is a nice, beautiful bronzer in the shade Deep. And I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, put that above my contour. Go in with the second bronzer and put that on top of that bronzer we put before, and let's get it popping. So next I'm gonna go in with this Juvia's Place. I'm gonna use that brown shade just to, you know, contour my face. I'm not gonna be using anything else. This is not even really gonna be a contour. It's really gonna be like a deeper bronzer for my face. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back in with that orange and pink shade from this palette and use that as a blush. And then moving on, we're going to go to my favorite part, which is highlighting. I'm going to take this Warrior palette. I'm going to take that brown tan looking goldy shade and just pop out, okay? Pop out, sis. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the gingerbread lip liner from Ruby Kisses. And I'm just outline my lips. I like to go underneath my lip a little bit at the bottom. And then I like to go over my top lip. And then I like to blend them together using a patting motion. Then I'm going to go in with this lipstick from Milani. And it's like a little nude type pinky lipstick. And then I'm going to go ahead over that with that lip gloss that I showed y'all in my Black Radiance video, which I will link in the cards and down below. And it's from Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade Aquarius. And we're just going to get these lips popping, sis, all of that. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with this dewy setting spray from Black Radiance and fan it out, and that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this if you did, give it a thumbs up for your girl. Go ahead and do it one time. Also click that subscribe button on your way out if you are new, and also comment your thoughts down below. Do you use any of these products? Are you gonna recreate this look? What you gonna do, sis? Just comment your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.